Alrighty, welcome back, everybody. This is Mr. Evans again, and it's math talk time, but today we're doing it with a little spin. This is going to be a challenge. So, parents at home, what I want you to do is I want you to get your scratch paper. I want you to get your pencils. Kids, I want you to grab your scratch paper. I want you to get your pencils, and I want you to look at this problem, and I'm going to read it. And before you watch the totality of this video, I want you to see if you can solve and work it out yourselves at home and then see if you get the same answer I got. That is the challenge, and I would like to hear back how many of you guys got it right. So feel free to leave some comments this time around so I can see how things are going for you at home. This first problem starts off by saying a digital camera costs $699. A retailer sells 38 cameras. How much does he collect altogether? Now, I'm going to solve this using our 6-step framework that we use here in class. The first one being read the entire problem, and then the second step being to rewrite the question as a statement, and then 3, who or what is the problem about, and then 4, draw your model, and of course 5, solve your equations that you come up with, and then lastly, check your answer to make sure that it makes sense. Is it a reasonable answer? So hopefully you're back with me now, and you're going to see how Mr. Evans solves this problem. So read it already. Now I want to rewrite the question as a statement. How much does he collect altogether? He collects blank dollars all together. Now that's leaving the room for me to give my answer. Now I want to talk about who or what is the problem about. The problem is about a camera. Okay. And then in class, we talk about drawing this tape line. So there's my tape line. And I know that it costs $699. A retailer sells 38 of them. Wow, that's quite a few cameras. Okay, so realistically, as I'm drawing my model for this, I want my first box I draw to be representative of camera number one. And that camera number one sold for $699. Now, I know some of you see me drawing this model. You're like, he's really going to draw like 38 of those? No, I'm not going to do that. But I want them to be relatively the same size, as close as possible. And then what we use in class is like we do like this extended dot, dot, dot to kind of skip ahead to where we're really trying to get to anyway. Because really what we're doing is we're looking at, these are just simply groups of cameras. And each camera has a value of 699. So I've skipped all the way to camera 600 and camera 38, and that one still has a value of 699. And so now my equation is that there are 38 groups of 699. So I'll write that down in equation form. Now, if you look back at any one of my older videos, you can see that this problem can be solved using the area model, if you would like. You don't have to do the area model. Or you can use the standard algorithm. Since today's video I want to be quick and short, I am going to opt to roll with the standard algorithm so that I can be out of your hair quickly and you can know the answer, because that's really what you want to know. So we start off with the standard algorithm. We have 8 times 9. That's going to give me 72. So carry that 7. 8 times 9 again, 72 plus 7 more, 79. Carry the 7. 8 times 6, what does that give me? Oh, yep, gives me 48 plus 7. That'll give me 55, Mr. Evans. So now we move over to now the tens value. So I have to put a 0 in the ones place. So now that all my numbers are concentrated in the tens place, I cross out those ones I've already used. I go 3 times 9, 27, carry the 2. 3 times 9 again, that's 27 plus 2 more, 29, carry the 2. And I go 3 times 6, which is 18 plus 2 more is 20. And now it's time to add this up together. And you'll see here that we get an answer of $26,562. That's what you got. Right on, more power to you. If I did it wrong, let me know. But ultimately, it this should be good. I think I'm pretty confident in that. Tune in for the next challenge.